I just got done with my beer deployment, and today we're going to be working on a BMW. It's going to be a crazy project. Let's go. Bruh. Look at this. Look. Oh. Yo. Yo. Pretty much the game plan for today is to get that bumper off, both fenders off, and maybe side skirts. So here's going to be a walkthrough on how to take off your front bumper if we can, and we'll show you how to take off your fenders also. So to take your bumper off, you've got what? You got a bunch of 8 mils?
Yeah, we got 3 8 mils right on here, plus we got 2 8 mils that are bolted from the bumper to the fender that we just need to remove so that this part just comes off. Same thing on the other side. And then
okay, and then I'm about to take these T30s off real quick. Put this.
Yeah, we need to put that properly.
Over here. We saw how we got those T30s out from up here, and then from over here it was like a few. What was it, like 2 8 mils and a torque spit?
Yeah.
Just to get this off, and it comes off like this, and then most likely we're gonna have a few little pop sockets.
He's missing one of the screws that goes in the middle right here.
Oh, okay.
This is 8 mil.
So there might be a few little
He's taking this on and off multiple times, so there's gonna be a few stuff that's gonna be missing.
Yeah, but I mean, this is just for all the general people out there that want to take their front bumpers off. Maybe they want to get their fog lights or whatever. But there might be a few little plastic clips underneath that we're gonna have to pull off to get this front bumper off. So yeah, there's gonna be maybe a 8 mil bolt right there, along with a few Torx plastic clips, 8 mils, running all the way along, and then I'm gonna take this again. And just to keep everything organized, and so we don't lose any bolts, we're gonna put it in this bin right over here. So after you get your bumper off, remember that there is a fog light over here and a fog light over there. To get the fog light bulbs off, you have to actually use these little tabs in the corners, in the bottom, and push to release. They come out. Some of your vehicles may come with a washer nozzle, and how would we remove those?
So pretty much what you're supposed to do, if yours comes with a washer nozzle, you basically pull this guy. You pull this guy out first. So this one right now is just a clip. So basically you pull it out, and then you'd hold the nozzle, and then you would just basically pop the clip out, which would be popping this guy out.
All right. So that's how you would remove your front bumper, and now we can see that massive intercooler along with that big turbo. Step is side skirts, and what we're gonna do is probably jack up the car, right? I know you don't want to. I know you don't want to.
Really don't want to, but let's see.
All right. I don't like working on BMWs, but
So when it works, it's amazing.
It's amazing. So to get your side skirt off, it's actually like 2 8 mils, a bunch of T30s, like about 4 of them. I want to say that there was one right up there.
Yeah, there's one in the front.
One in the front, and then you open up your door, you get your door sill plastic thing off, and then underneath are these 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the side skirt at? Right over there. Little plastic things, almost like plastic rivets that are right up on here, and literally pull up and pull them out completely, and this whole entire thing comes off. It's very possible that you're gonna break some clips that go right here. I've been told that they're relatively cheap.
Yeah, they're pretty cheap. You can get them from O'Reilly's.
And then here's this fender. To get this fender off, you gotta take the side skirt off. Well, we already got that off. And then you have 4 10 mils, a 10 mil right over there that's under the fender liner. So remove your fender liners. And then to get to 1 and 2, because the bolts are facing inwards, you have to take your washer reservoir off. Well, it means you got to take your wheel off. Once you take all that off, there's also a indicator, a side marker that you have to pull off, and the connector is right
over here.
right there.
Basically, just push on here and just pull it back.
And then once you have all the bolts off, including the bottom 2 10 mils, the fender literally just falls off.
Yeah.
Cool. I know this hasn't been a normal video, but I think we did a lot of great work today. You guys want to see? Let's check this out real quick.
Oh my god.
Huh.
You dizzy?
No. But the bumper's off. This random guy's here. I don't know why. The fender liners are off. We took the fender liners off just to get the washer reservoir. It was in the way, so we had to take it out. But the fenders, the side skirts are all off, and now we're just waiting for parts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like, share, comment, everything that you have to do to support me, support the channel, support this guy, support the shop, support these guys.
Support the haircuts.
Support the haircuts, man. Like, it's been a while. Quarantine 15 weight. Like, gosh, we've gained weight. We're finally looking amazing somewhat, I guess. I mean, I've still got this going on, but you know, support ECS tuning, support Mishimoto, support what is that? AFE Power, ACT Clutch, and the guys over at Airlift. Oh God, what's going on with my hat? Support those guys that support us. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.